Hey everybody, this is the first video on my new YouTube channel. I'm not going to say the name right now because, at this very moment I haven't figured it out, but if you find it, it'll be a cool name, I guess, in my opinion at least. But this is going to be the first video of the channel, and I got Phantom Orion bearing drive. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm going to unbox it. But before I do that, let's get to reviewing the box. So, if you can look up here in this corner, this top right corner, it says it goes to the right. It's 4D system. It's an official Takara Bay. Comes with a light launcher too. I never figured out what that says. And a stamina type bay. Yeah, it's basically Japanese. On here, on the top, it shows 4D bottom. Talks about the bearing drive, I guess. But it's also having Orion kicking Cronus's butt. Now right here is the explanation of the bearing drive. Hold on. There you go. The performance tip and track combination. When I get to this part, this little small cylindrical, it's a cylinder. That little part will have bearings inside. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This explains the 4D system. And this explains the bearing drive. On the back, same thing. It shows the, give me a minute, shows the layout of Orion, the face bolt, the, the clear wheel, the metal core, and the PC frame, not PC frame, the metal frame and the PC core, sorry. The bearing drive, the 4D bottom. This is stamina mode, and this is attack mode. Stamina mode is the most chosen mode for this bay, and this combo appears to be, hold on, I'm gonna have to take the box out for a minute. Scythe something, I don't know the energy ring. Scythe something bearing drive. So basically a lot of things use the bearing drive. So let's get this thing unboxed. Now this is the this is my second Wave 2 bay for the 4D series. My first is Diablo Nemesis, and I really need a replacement, so I'll be sure to get that. If I can get this open. One thing of tape, really. Alright, here it comes. It's coming off slowly. If you always be so kind to let me take you off. Thank you. Alright. Okay. Get all this stuff out. Here are the stickers. Pretty cool. Directions. The bearing drive and the tool. The light launcher 2 ripcord. And then the bay itself. So let's just get this cord out. There you are. Let's get all this out. Okay. That. Okay, here's the black tool, the awesome stickers, and yeah, the instructions. Nobody cares for those. Let's get this thing out. All right. Here's the light launcher too. Feels kind of light. Hello, light launcher, yeah. Let's get the bay out. It's a really cool bay. Get all that out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna, looks really cool. I'm just gonna separate it. The PC core is gonna come out. I want to come out? Okay. Oh, man. There we go. Alright, so here is the marble, the golden marble looking face bolt. Hold on. Well, yeah, not that important. The clear wheel with the metal sparkle things, Orion, looks really cool. The metal frame, Phantom. When you flip it up to here, it's attack mode. When you flip it over here, stamina mode. The PC core, purple. The Hasbro one is orange. Suck it, Hasbro! And this is personally my favorite out of all of the pieces in here. The bearing drive. So you can kind of see this little metal ring in there. A minute. Hold on. Okay, you know what, whatever. But you can kind of tell there's a metal ring right around here in this part. That's where the bearings are. And it's free spinning. It's very sharp, so, well, not very sharp. Kind of a dull kind of sharp. You know, new performance type sharp. Yeah. Let's put this bay together. So I do have other bays. I just won't be like, you know, yeah, I have a lot of other bays. You know, you heard me say Diablo Nemesis earlier, so yeah. And here is Phantom Orion BD. That is the bearing drive at work. See, it's not spinning. That's why it's a free spinning performance stick. It's stamina type, so just be looking forward to battles with this bay. And I hope you guys really like this first video, and I will see you around.